UGREEN, again, knocking it out of the park. We love this brand, and it's been just a few weeks since we've been trying these products from them, and they're incredible. This is the 65-watt charger, fast charger, and look at what it looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. I do know that these things are supposed to be practical, and they are, but I love that they actually take the time and make them beautiful. So this is what it looks like, and look at this. It's got a USB-A and also USB-Cs. So you can charge and fast charge 3 devices at the same time, what would be laptops and tablets and the latest phones. And the cool thing too is that this actually flips out and flips back in when you don't need it. 65 watt, and it tells you right here on the packaging or on the actual unit itself. So you already know what you're using, whether it's the 45, the 65, or the 100. UGREEN is awesome.